Today I'm going to show you exactly how to import templates using the WordPress importer tool. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly bring templates or demo content into your WordPress site, which can save you tons of time when you're building out new pages or setting up a site for a client. Let's dive right in and I'll walk you through each step, making sure nothing gets left out. First up, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Look on the sidebar for the Tools menu. It's usually towards the bottom left. Go ahead and give that a click. Under Tools, you'll see an option called Import. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking Import brings up a list of different content importers for WordPress. You might see ones for Blogger, Tumblr, or other platforms, but what we need today is simply the one labeled WordPress. This tool is specifically designed for importing templates, posts, pages, or general content from export files, like those with a XML extension. When you find WordPress in the list, don't worry if you see a little note saying you need to install now or run importer. If you've never used this feature before, you'll need to click Run Importer. WordPress may prompt you to install a small plugin here. This is totally normal and safe as it's an official tool. Once you click it, WordPress quickly installs and you get a button that says Run Importer. Go ahead and click that as well. This step is crucial because it opens up the panel where you'll actually handle the template upload process. Next, you'll be asked to type in your site's domain name. This helps WordPress make sure it's importing the content to the correct location, so double check for typos here. Think of it as addressing a package before you mail it. You want your content to land in the right place. After entering your domain, WordPress gives you a choice. If you're a business plan user, maybe you have a site for your company or client work, you'll see an option to migrate site. Sometimes there's even a discount like 50% off if you want to use their migration tool for a full website move. However, if you're like many users and just running a basic or free plan, and all you want to do is import some templates or content, you'll want the option that says Import Content Only. That's what I'll be selecting today, so you can follow right along with me. Now here, where you upload your file, you'll see an area where you can drag and drop your template file, or simply click to open a file browser window and locate your file manually. Make sure your template file is ready on your computer. Usually, it'll be a XML file. If you're not sure where to get this, template providers or WordPress theme authors typically offer these files for importing demo content or layouts. Go ahead and drag your file in or click to upload. Don't worry if uploading takes a few moments, especially for larger template files. WordPress is just working behind the scenes to unpack and organize all that content. And just like that, you're done. The new templates or demo content are now part of your WordPress site, ready for you to edit and customize. It's that simple. You didn't need a business plan, just the free importer tool. If this helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any odd errors, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more straightforward WordPress tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy website building.